Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create number list in MS Word document table. So get started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, in this video I will show that create number list table in Word document. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click for the table option. Then choose table. Then show insert from the table. This table is the number list. Now select from the table. Then going to the home menu option. Now going to the number list icon option. Now for click. Then click for the number list. That is. Then again another process. Now select from the table. Then click for the number list icon. Then click for the number list. That is. Then I show create number list table in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.